fam, welcome to Everyday Living with C&D. So I love chicken pot pies and savory dishes. So I decided to go get ingredients to make a chicken pot pie at home. Now this is my first time making it, so we're going to be making it together. So we're going to go over all of the ingredients that you need to make it, and then we'll get started on the video. So make sure that you like, share, subscribe to the video so that we can continue this work. Okay, y'all, here is what you need for your chicken pot pie. So you need pepper, salt, carrots, butter, frozen peas, onion, parsley, garlic, flour, egg, chicken stock. You're going to need some heavy whipping cream, pie crusts, and you're going to need a rotisserie chicken. I bought one that's already made from the store. We're trying to do this quick. We don't want to take all day to make the chicken pot pie tonight. We're hungry. So you're going to get one that's already made at the store, and then you're going to take it and shred it up, and it'll already be ready for your recipe. All right, y'all, so I'm tearing this chicken apart. So I'm just pulling the chicken off of the bone, and I'm going to go ahead and dice it up so that we can put it in the pot pie. Okay, fam, so I have my butter in the Dutch oven. This is 6 tablespoons of butter that I'm letting melt in the Dutch oven. As soon as this gets melted, I'm going to add onion. You're going to need a medium yellow onion, and I'm going to also add the carrots, and that's a cup of carrots. You're going to dice them thin and small, and you can dice them in the little square dices, or you can do round thin pieces as well. It just depends on how you like your carrots, but I dice mine pretty thin, and then I chopped them up. All right, so our butter is melted and smelling good already, and let's go ahead and add onion, and then I'm going to add the carrots. Oops. All right, and you're just going to go ahead and saute the carrots and your onion in the butter. Okay, fam, so it's a few things that I want to make sure to remember to tell you. The butter that you're using to saute these veggies in, it's going to be unsalted butter. So make sure that it's unsalted. And then also, while that's sauteing, I'm going to show you this. You're going to need a pie dish. A 9-inch would be the preference. All right, so after your veggies have cooked for about 8 minutes and softened a little bit, you're going to go ahead and add your garlic. I'm using 3 cloves of garlic. You can use up to 6, but I'm not a person who's heavy on garlic, so 3 is good for us. Okay, everybody, after the garlic is cooked for about 5 minutes, or sauteed for about 5 minutes, I just added the flour in there. You're going to need about a 1/3 cup of flour. And then I'm going to add the chicken stock. The chicken stock is 2 cups. And if you don't have chicken stock around, you can always use the Knorr chicken bouillon. You just take 2 cups of water and mix that with the chicken bouillon. And that's your stock. Okay, y'all, I'm also turning the fire down a little bit, more to medium. And I'm going to add the heavy cream. You need a 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. And that's going to make a pretty thick gravy. Oh, that smells good. In your gravy, you're also going to add salt and pepper to it as well. That's really the only seasoning that you need for this one, salt and pepper. So you make sure you salt and pepper it to taste. Bam! Bam! Bam, as my husband says. And I'm going to turn this down to low. All right, now we're going to add a cup of peas. And make sure that your peas are frozen. Don't thaw them, just keep them frozen. You're going to add a 1/4 cup of parsley. And then you're going to add your chicken. This made about 4 cups of chicken. So you're going to add all those in together. Ooh. Oh, that's coming along really nice. All right, I'm taking my pan, and I'm just taking a little bit of olive oil and brushing it around in there to make sure that our pie doesn't stick. And then you're gonna unroll your pie crust. You're gonna put your first layer in. And I'm just going to take it and push it down around the edges. Make sure you get it all the way down to the bottom of the pan. Okay. All right, so now I'm going to take our mixture and we're going to start filling it into our pie crust. Just going to fill it in and spread it out as you fill it in. Ooh, it smells good. And I'm just going to spread it out as I fill it. Alright, I think I'm going to stop here because I don't want to overfill it. It's right at the top of my dish. Maybe a little tiny bit more in the middle. Okay, so once you've filled it, you're going to get ready to unroll your second pie crust so you can put it on the top. Okay, fam, so I have my second part of my pie crust unrolled, and we're just going to put it over the top of the pie. And you're just going to fold it over around the edges. So I'm folding it over all the way around. And you're kind of going to crimp it as you fold it over. So crimp it, squeeze it a little bit as you fold it over. All the way around. Just like, you know, a regular pie. Alright, keep going all the way around and make sure you crimp it pretty good. Okay, and then you're gonna take a small paring knife and just make some slits in your pie. And that just helps the steam to escape as it's baking. I'm going to do that all the way around. I'm going to do one in this, or a couple in the center here as well. Okay, so while I was getting that prepared, I made an egg wash with the 1 egg that we had for the recipe. You make that egg wash and you're going to take it and brush it across the top of your pot pie. And here's our pot pie ready to go in the oven. Look how pretty that is. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take it and put it in the oven. 425, and you're going to start at 30 minutes. There we go. Okay, fam, so our chicken pot pie is out of the oven. It looks flaky, golden, beautiful, delicious. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut a piece so that we can take a look at it. And let's go on this side. And I'm using a little spatula. If you have like a pie cutter, if you have a scoop, whatever you have, you can use that to scoop it out. Oh, and let me tell you before I forget. So the edges, make sure that you fold them up and over the pie. If not, while it's baking, they might fall over to the side. So just make sure that you fold it over and crimp it so that that won't happen. All right, so let's get us a piece of this chicken pot pie. Oh, I'm gonna go right here, and then we can do a taste. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna go in and get from the bottom. Get some of that crust from the bottom as well. There we are. Look at that. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste this pot pie. This is the first time I made it at home, so I'm really excited to see how it came out. Of course, it's beautiful, but I want to see how it tastes. It's hot. Wait a minute, it's too hot. Oh, that's delicious. Oh. That's what I was looking for. It's delicious. Okay, everybody, thanks for joining us for this video today. I hope you try it out and let us know how it tastes. Make sure that you like, share, subscribe, and comment on our video and let us know how it came out for you. Peace. It was hot. Burning my mouth.